Hi everybody, this is Vanessa from Alpuscasts. Welcome back to the Fireplace series. Today we're going to add the ability to display the details of an individual project. And actually, this is going to be our last video on projects for a little while because we'll be tackling tasks next. Way back when we first added the project list template, we made each of these cards into links, which you can see when I hover over them. We just didn't actually set a destination, so they don't go anywhere yet. That's what we're going to be changing today. We're going to add a destination, and that should take us to a page where we can see the details of an individual project. So let's get started. As per usual, we're going to need a new route. Okay, and this is going to be another GET request. Because we're going to be showing an individual project, I want to parameterize the route with the ID. So when I call it, it's going to look something like /projects/27, where 27 is the ID of the project. So with Alpus, when we want to do that, we're just going to do angle brackets ID. And then our function in our project controller, let's call this one show. We need to add a new route. Again, let's talk about what this route's going to do. Basically, we need to get the ID, find the project, and render a new view. Okay, well, to get the ID, we're going to just use the call.longParam. It's ID, which this is going to match whatever you put in the routes here. And if we don't have that, we need to quit. So, or abort. All right, now let's get the project. We've done something like this before. So we're going to say projects.find or fail for our new ID. Basically just saying if we get an ID in our route that's not a valid project, we're going to fail. All right, now we are ready to render the view. So we're going to say call.render. I'm going to call this project_show. And I know that I'm going to need to pass that project I just got. Okay, so this looks good. Let's actually add the view. Like I said, project show. And I'm going to paste in the view code into that new template. And just as a reminder, I'm linking the source code to this project in the description box down below, so you should also be able to copy the view code. We're gonna have a button that takes you back to all the projects and otherwise just displays stuff about the project. Right now, all we have to display is the title and the description. And now let's update project list, because I told you earlier that this is currently not hooked up to go anywhere, so we need to update that. And down here is where I just had left that blank. We have our named route, projects.show, and we need to include our ID, which is going to be project.id. Okay, I'm going to save that. Now let's run this and see if it works. Okay, I'm going to try clicking on this one. And looks good. You can see I've got my title, the description, and then if I click on the All Projects button, it successfully takes me back to the whole project list. So this looks awesome. We successfully added the ability to display the details of a project. We're eventually going to be filling out more of this view in here, so it's not just the title and the description, which you could already see on the card. Our next video is actually going to be about creating tasks for a project, and those tasks will eventually show up in this view as well. Thanks for watching today's video. Catch you in the next one.